Using some ideas from our doll toy box video, I am going to make a refrigerator for a doll using 2 recycled tea boxes, an egg carton, craft paint, clear plastic from packaging, recycled paperboard, Q-tips, paper, and glue. I start by cutting off the side tabs from the tea box, including the small tab attached to the front panel, so that it can open and close like a door. Repeat for the other box, then turn it so the doors are facing each other. Cover the outside of the boxes with paper by making small cuts at the corners so the paper can be neatly folded over. Cut pieces of paperboard to fit inside, stack and glue them together, cover with paper, glue them on the inside walls, cut pieces of paperboard that can fit in between, stack and glue them together, cover with paper, glue one to the top and bottom. Make a stack of paperboard that can fit inside the box. Leaving a little space at the end, glue it to the door, then I lay it on its side and gently close it. This will help to make sure the pieces are aligned, so that when it's closed, it keeps the door shut. Repeat for the other box and then glue the 2 together. Cut pieces of paperboard to fit the bottom, stack and glue several together to add height. Cover with paper to make it blend in. This also adds weight to the bottom to help prevent it from falling over. Add a thin layer to the top, cut clear plastic from packaging, trace it onto paperboard, cover the paperboard, glue a few pieces of clear plastic together, glue paper onto the ends, glue them inside, cut one of the cups out of an egg carton, cut it in half, paint it, then glue them on the doors to make the shelves. Take some small plastic packaging, trim around the edge to be baskets inside. Cut the ends off of a Q-tip, paint it, glue them to the front for the handles. Add a little glue to the edges to help prevent wear. Use buttons for magnets. Resize it to fit any size doll, and you're done.
Happy crafting!
Prom? That's it, it's finally happened. Sophie's gone totes cray-cray. No, it's perfect. Give me one good reason why our band shouldn't play at prom. We don't know any songs.
We're not prepared?
You haven't even, I said just one. We want to give a shout out to the Master of 4 Elements. What's up? All right, let's take a vote. All in favor of playing at prom, say aye. Aye. All opposed to playing at prom, say nay.
Nay.
Well, I never said this was a democracy. You better find a dress, girls, because we're going to prom.